Hi everyone. Welcome back to Money Coaching Lizard. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to make quick money online using tools you already have? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you an easy method to earn $3 every 30 seconds using nothing but Google Docs. Yes, it's that simple. So if you're ready to start making money right from your computer or phone, stick around. And if you watch till the end, I have a bonus website for you to maximize your earnings. Let's discover the secret Google Docs feature. Google Docs isn't just a place to type up essays or notes. It has a powerful feature that can help you make money fast. I'm talking about the spelling and grammar tool. This tool isn't just for fixing your own mistakes. It's a game changer when it comes to proofreading documents for others. I'll show you exactly how to use it and, more importantly, how to turn it into a steady income stream. First, let's open a sample document in Google Docs. You'll notice some spelling and grammar errors, but don't worry. That's where the magic happens. Just go to the top menu, click Tools, and then select Spelling and Grammar. This tool will instantly highlight every error in the document and suggest corrections. All you need to do is review and accept the changes. Within seconds, you've polished a document and made it error-free. Now, imagine getting paid for doing this. Simple, right? Now that you've mastered the tool, let's talk about where to find clients who will pay you for this service. I'm going to introduce you to 3 websites that are perfect for freelance proofreaders. And the best part is, you can start right away. At first, check out HireSine. If you're looking for top dollar jobs, this site can pay you up to $50 per page. To get started, just visit their current openings, then select proofreading jobs and click Apply Now. Next, take a look at proofreadingservices.com. They're known for having high-paying proofreading jobs, with rates ranging from $19 to $46 per hour. Just sign up, complete a short quiz, and you'll be ready to start earning. Finally, there's flexjobs.com. This platform has a wide variety of proofreading opportunities. Simply search for proofreading jobs, filter by your location, and apply. Make sure to double-check any restrictions before submitting your application. But why stop there? Once you're comfortable with these websites, consider expanding your reach by offering your services on platforms like Fiverr. Fiverr is a massive marketplace where you can post your proofreading gigs, set your own rates, and attract clients from around the world. The more gigs you complete, the more your reputation grows, leading to even more opportunities. Now, for those who have made it till this point, here's the bonus website I promised: Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms out there. On Upwork, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $50 per hour, depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. To set up a proofreading gig, you need to create an Upwork profile. Highlight your proofreading experience in your profile description. Take the relevant skills tests available on the platform. Search for proofreading jobs or create a specialized profile for proofreading services. On Upwork, it's crucial to start with a competitive rate if you're new to the platform and gradually increase your rate as you build a strong portfolio and get positive client feedback. So there you have it, a straightforward way to make money online using Google Docs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your freelance income, these tips can help you get started right now. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my latest money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.